Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up. This Silverado 2500 HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror-mounted spotlights, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo V8 engine. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.